don't think much about age. It just happens.
And I'm sure you're wondering how she keeps herself healthy and energetic at this age. We're going to take a deep dive into Iris's diet and find out what foods she eats to fuel her energy and quick wits at nearly 102 years of age, and we will also share what she does not eat. But hold up, let's take a moment to appreciate Iris's amazing and inspiring life journey. Iris was born on August 29, 1921 in Queens, New York. She first started as a copywriter at Women's Wear Daily, but it wasn't until Iris stepped into the entrepreneurial world in 1950 that her career really took off. She and her husband Carl established textile company Old World Weavers as an avenue to express the exotic and charming treasures they discovered on their international travels with Old World Weavers. The couple even worked on interior and restoration design projects for 9 U.S. presidents at the White House, from Truman to Clinton. When she retired in 1992 at the age of 71, her life became even more exciting. In 2005, she was honored for her style by an exhibition at the Metropolitan Museum of Art. She even got a documentary made about her life and style in 2014. She also serves as the face of Happy Socks, designs collections for the home. Now we're about to uncover Iris's diet and the habits that keep her going strong. Get ready to be inspired. Iris Apple's breakfast. Let's spill the tea on what Iris eats for breakfast. Iris kickstarts her day with a small glass of freshly squeezed orange juice and a warm bowl of either oats or grits. Plus, she always adds a splash of hot skim milk to her decaf coffee. This queen knows how to start her day on the right foot. But hold up, there's more to her breakfast choices than just taste. Oats and grits are loaded with complex carbohydrates, which means they'll keep you going strong all morning long. And don't forget about the B vitamins in grits. Vitamin B complex may help prevent infections and help support or promote cell health, growth of red blood cells, energy levels, eyesight, brain function, digestion, appetite, and the list goes on. As for the freshly squeezed orange juice, not only is it packed with vitamin C, but it also helps your body absorb iron from plant-based foods like lentils and whole grains. Vitamin C is important in the synthesis of collagen, so vitamin C is also essential for the health of our skin, cartilage, blood vessels, and bones, all places where collagen is found. And for those looking for an even healthier option, chowing down on a whole orange is the way to go, since it's loaded with fiber that slows down sugar absorption. So there you have it, folks. Iris proves that sometimes sticking to what works best for you is the key to a long and healthy life. For lunch and dinners, Iris Apple is proof that simple, healthy eating habits can keep you going strong for a lifetime. She's learned through years of experience that less is often more when it comes to food. As she jet sets around the world, she sticks to simple routines, prioritizing nutritious meals that keep her energized. She highlighted in her interview that I don't like rich things, and a big portion always scares me off. Apple's lunches and dinners typically consist of a white fish or other lean meat with lots of veggies. She readily admits she has become a creature of habit when it comes to food, but one with high standards. I never buy ground hamburger meat. We always get a good steak, and we grind it here at home, she says. And for dessert, fruit, of course, though she admits to indulging in a slice of pumpkin pie come the holidays. Studies have shown that eating a variety of vegetables and fruits can help you to bring your blood pressure to lower levels and can even save you from heart attack and stroke. A vegetable-enriched diet can also support you in weight loss and can prevent the onset of chronic conditions such as diabetes and cancer. For protein, eating lean meat is an excellent choice. A study published in the Asia Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2005 found that eating lean meat can supplement your body with essential nutrients such as protein, vitamin B12, niacin, omega-3 fatty acids. It's no wonder that Iris doesn't rely on supplements. She gets all the essential nutrients her body needs from her diet. So let Iris be your guide. Don't let the flashy, unhealthy options fool you. Simplicity is the key to a long, healthy life. Apple believes in the power of turmeric. Turmeric is a true wonder spice with a range of benefits for the body and mind. Not only is it a potent anti-inflammatory, but it also contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have powerful anti-aging properties. Curcumin works by neutralizing free radicals in the body, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging. It also has the ability to boost the production of antioxidants, which are essential for protecting cells from oxidative stress and reducing inflammation. Adding turmeric to your daily diet is simple. You can make turmeric scrambled egg pancakes and curry, or simply sprinkle some turmeric on potatoes, or enjoy a cup of golden milk to reap the benefit of the anti-aging boost. On alcohol, Iris shares that she doesn't drink heavily, but she has a drink now and then. In fact, apples moderate alcohol use could be reducing her risk of dying from heart disease. British Heart Foundation explains that moderate alcohol consumption, regardless of beverage type, reduces risk of coronary heart disease among men and older women. A report from the Irish Independent even found that men who drink 2 pints of beer before a brain puzzle performed better on the puzzle. Before we get to the juicy part on what foods she avoids eating, let's quickly take a look at her exercise habit. The star used to have an unhealthy smoking habit. She admits that I used to smoke 4 packs a day, but I gave it up. I just quit one day. But she also offered a surprising revelation: I don't do any exercises regularly, but that does not mean she sits around and does nothing. Quite the contrary. At 100, what else is there to do except sit around? I don't play bridge, I don't play golf, I love to work, and I really enjoy what I do. Keeping busy is just the way Iris works. Does she avoid eating? She avoids raw fish and other uncooked meats. After witnessing the cholera epidemic 40 years ago in Naples, Italy, it had been caused by mussels. She never eats junk foods, as these foods become digested. They release sugar into your blood, increasing your blood sugar. Over time, this comes with all sorts of risks, including developing diabetes and high blood pressure, hypertension. Plenty of research shows this can lead to coronary heart disease. The NHS recommends adults should only have around 30 grams of sugar every day. That's roughly 7 sugar cubes. I don't drink soda is another principle. Apple sticks, to which again is top-notch advice. Fizzy drinks contain a lot of sugar. There's a myth that they make you feel full. Studies have shown that people who drink sugary soda added 17 more calories to their diet. When asked whether she has a favorite restaurant meal or food to recommend, she says that's a dumb question, and she has a point. I don't eat junk food. I don't take a lot of salt. I don't drink sodas, and most importantly, I don't advise anyone. She declares, it's not my place to tell other people how to live.